Hi, I'm already helping many people sleep better without the use of any drugs, lights, sounds, special pillows, mattresses, grounding pads, or whatever else you can think of. Let me tell you how, what inspired it, and how you, backing this project, put you and me together to help many more people. In 2015, I undertook an effort to help my wife achieve better sleep. She was a fitful sleeper, waking often, who required the use of a fan on her nightstand to sleep. Unlike our grandson, who has no problem falling asleep, his grandmother did. Coming from a strong technical education and background with broad experience helping engineers in many disciplines solve problems, I studied everything that affects sleep. My research was influenced by two great scientists, Michael Faraday and Nikola Tesla. Faraday, the father of modern science, believed God created the universe with order and purpose, and it was our job to understand that purpose and thereby capitalize on it. Tesla, with a brilliant mind for visualization, understood the importance of resonance and how all energy is transferred through fields, even mechanical energy. He showed that seemingly small amounts of energy tuned properly in frequency could have one device affect another physically separate device in a positive, useful manner. In my research, I came across many studies that looked at sleep and the environmental influences on the quality of sleep. Broad areas of my research included what happened in our brains while we sleep, brain waves, light, sound, electric fields, magnetic fields, and even cell phones. I even measured the magnetic fields coming off the fan my wife kept on her nightstand. It was the effect of magnetic fields upon the human body that I found fascinating. In particular, I was surprised to learn that the Earth's magnetic field plays a measurable role in our health. Then I was even more surprised to make a connection between thunderstorms, oscillations in the Earth's magnetosphere, and the theta band of brainwaves as we fall asleep. God created our world such that when we are frightened by a clap of thunder, the ensuing oscillation in the Earth's magnetosphere caused by the lightning bolt can calm us down. Here's a cool graphic from NASA that shows this principle. Lightning bolts change the energy potential between the ground and the ionosphere, and the Earth's fields vibrate at discrete frequencies to dissipate the energy and restore balance. These oscillations occur in the electric field and in the magnetic field of the Earth. I was inspired to create this resonance for my wife as she slept. Oddly enough, I couldn't find one that met my stringent engineering requirements. There were lots of gimmicks available, but not one I envisioned inspired by Faraday and Tesla. I wanted a weak magnetic field, the same order of magnitude as the Earth's. I wanted the flux to be fairly uniform in the region of use, just like Earth's as your body experiences it. I wanted it to resonate with the Earth's magnetic field, in essence using the Earth's own magnetic field as a base and superimposing a natural oscillation upon it. What resulted is the patent-pending Serenity Wave Magnetic Sleep Halo. The United States Patent and Trademark Office has reviewed it, accepted it, and published a patent application, and we have a registered trademark. I have many stories of how it's helped people and families. In 2016, while I was still making these by hand, one friend was using it. One night he slept through an experience where his wife was up at 3 in the morning making a lot of noise. He slept through it all. She then took it from him for herself, and he implored me for another one. In another story, a woman gave it to her autistic child, and the results were profound. Her story and others can be found on our website. Please watch them and learn. Most recently, a woman with severe back pain profoundly thanked me for this invention, as she could now fall back asleep during the night, even if woken by her back pain. Now I need your help. I raised enough money for the first year, and we accomplished a lot. We founded the company, wrote and published the patent, R&D helped us shift to modern surface mount technology. A company in Connecticut now manufactures the Halo and assembles the electronics for me. And we did a test market with 77 WABC New York to help me shift from 35 years in a technical environment to a commercial production retail environment. We just completed a double-blind study of the improved electronics and software, which show the usefulness of this. We are ready for phase 2, and that is where you come in. Please back the project and tell your friends about this. You most assuredly know someone who can benefit from this. Use the Indiegogo share tools to help get the word out. We need to raise capital to start a national advertising campaign ramp up production, and meet our operating costs. Please join me in helping a lot of people. In the words of one existing investor who himself has 8 patents, this is going to be an industry disruptor. Thank you.